friends, we already discussed in previous video integrated rate expression for first order kinetics and zero order kinetics. Today we discuss half-life period of a reaction, half-life period expression for first order kinetics and zero order kinetics. So this is your last topic of this chapter according to latest or revised syllabus by CBSE. So first we clarify the half life period. What is a half life period of reaction? Half life मतलब जदों साडे को reaction half complete होगी, how much time, how much concentration of reactant changes into product after half time, मतलब कि साडे को जिहड़े reactant ने अद्धे change हो गए into product, मतलब कि half product बन गई, half साडे को reactant पे ने. So उस time ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ half life period of a reaction कहने हैं. The time during the when which the concentration of the reactant is reduced to half of its initial concentration, मतलब कि वो टाइम ਜਦੋਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ concentration of reactant ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਚੋਂ ਹਾਫ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟ ਬਣ ਚੁੱਕੇ, ਹਾਫ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ concentration ਉਹ ਲੈਫਟ ਰਹੇਗੀ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. So now we discuss derive the expression for half life period for first order kinetics reactant changes into product. So first order rate equation for integrated rate expression which we already discussed in previous video, that is equal to K equal to 2.303 upon T log of R naught upon R. T equal to 2.303 upon K log of R naught by R. So ਅਸੀਂ K उधर ਇਹਦੇ ਓਵਰ ਲਿਆਂਦੀ ਤੇ T उधर ਲੈ ਗਈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ T ਹਾਫ ਕੈਲਕੂਲੇਟ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ. So reactant changes into product. So at time t equal to 0 there is no reaction or reactant change into product, मतलब कि ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ product ਦੀ concentration ਉਹ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਹੈ 0 at when time t equal to 0. So when t equal to t half it means ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ product ਉਹ half ਬਣ ਗਈ, ਜਾਨੀ initial concentration ਨੂੰ 2 ਨਾਲ ਡਿਵਾਈਡ ਕਰਤਾ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਚ ਗਈ ਪੈਂਡਿੰਗ ਰਹਿ ਗਈ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੀ ਹੈ हाफ कंसनट्रेशन रहेगी, यानी जी फाइनल कंसनट्रेशन है आर दी वैल्यू आर कंसनट्रेशन आर नॉट बाय 2 है. सो सब्सटीट्यूट दीज वैल्यूज इन इक्वेशन नंबर 1. सो टी हाफ इक्वल टू 2.303 अपॉन के लॉग ऑफ इनिशियल कंसनट्रेशन ओवर फाइनल कंसनट्रेशन. फाइनल कंसनट्रेशन की वैल्यू कितनी है आर नॉट बाय 2. फाइनल कंसनट्रेशन की वैल्यू कितनी है आर नॉट बाय 2. सो ये 2 ऊपर जाके की हो गया मल्टीप्लाई टी 1 बाय 2 2.303 के लॉग ऑफ 2 आर नॉट बाय आर. सो आर नॉट ना आर नॉट की हो गया साढ़े को कैंसल हो गया, 2 आ गए टी 1 बाय 2 इक्वल टू 2.303 के लॉग ऑफ 2. नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ लॉग ऑफ 2 दैट इज इक्वल टू टी हाफ इक्वल टू 2.303 अपॉन के इंटू 0.3010. सो लॉग 2 वैल्यू कितनी है 0.3010. सो व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई 2.303 इंटू 0.3010 so it becomes t half equal to 0.693 by k. So when we plot a graph between t half and initial concentration, so it becomes a linear or a parallel to x-axis or concentration terms. Why it's a linearly very big constant value of t half for a particular reaction concentration of a reactant, because this expression is independent from the concentration of reactant. जेड़ा half life period ਅਸੀਂ calculate ਕੀਤੀ है for zero order reaction that does not depend upon any concentration of reactant. So it means it vary linearly with half life period. So t half versus concentration of reactant vary linearly. So next we derive expression for half life period for zero order reaction. So zero order reaction equation which we already done for integrated rate expression, that is equal to k equal to initial concentration minus final concentration upon t. So t moves from this side and k moves this side. So t equal to initial concentration minus final over k. So when reactant changes into product at a time equal to t equal to 0, initial concentration r naught, at that time there will be no formation of product because reaction cannot start. So after time t equal to t half, final concentration becomes half of initial concentration because half of reactant changes into product. So substitute the value of final concentration in question number A. So t half equal to r naught minus r naught by 2. This value we put from this expression. So r naught minus r naught by 2. So take common r naught from these two values. So t 1 by 2 r naught by k 1 minus 1 by 2. So take LCM, that is 2 minus 1 upon 2. So it becomes 1 by 2. So t half equal to initial concentration upon 2 into rate constant. So zero order reaction for half life period for zero order reaction T half equal to R naught by 2K. So it means half life period for zero order reaction directly depend upon the concentration of reactant. मतलब कि when we increase the reactant concentration, it means half life period also increases, but it inversely proportional to the rate constant and 2 times. So the graph, when we plot a graph between T half and initial concentration, it becomes this type or a straight line. Clear? So this is your two expression which we discuss these two types of expression in this video. So and two types of expression for integrated rate expression for first order kinetic and zero order kinetic in last video. So now we discuss about the numericals related to these four questions. So let us start some important numericals which we discuss in this video. So first numerical is related to half-life period. So calculate the half-life period of a first order reaction where the specific rate constant or rate constant is a 200 per second, 2 minute per minute, 4 per year. So for first order reaction we already know the expression for half-life period, that is T half equal to 0.693 upon K. So what value of K is given, that is equal to 200 per second. So substitute the value of K in this formula. T half equal to 0.693 divided by 200 per second. So it becomes 3.465 into 10 to the power minus 3 per second when we divide the 0.693 with 200. Okay, so when we substitute the value in terms of 2 minutes, it becomes 0.3465 per minute. So T half equal to minutes, which then if we take a K rate constant in years, so we can calculate the half-life period in years by dividing the value of K. Next numerical, a first order reaction is found to have a rate constant K equal to 5.5 into 10 to the power minus 14 per second. So K the value given है, find the half-life period of reaction. So for first order reaction, half-life period equal to again 0.693 upon K. K value is given, so substitute the value in this formula. 0.693 5.5 into 10 to the power minus 14. 10 to the power minus 14 जो ऊपर चलेगी, that becomes positive. So 6.93 divided by 5.5, that equal to 1.26 into 10 to the power 13 seconds. So similarly, there are two questions used in this numerical. So the rate constant for first order reaction is 60 per second. For first order reaction, rate constant is 60 per second. How much time will it take to reduce the concentration of reactant to 1 by 10th of initial value? वो कहता कितना टाइम साढ़े को लोगी reduce how much time to reduce the concentration, मतलब कितना टाइम लोगी कि साढ़े को reactant the concentration 1 by 10, हाफ नहीं 1 by 10 साढ़े को जी इनिशियल वैल्यू दे रहे. सो according to integrated rate expression for first order kinetic, T equal to 2.303 upon K log of initial concentration upon final concentration. So K equal to 60 per second. Final concentration, that becomes 1 by 10th of initial, so A naught by 10. So substitute the value of final concentration in this equation. T equal to 2.303 upon 60 log of A naught by final concentration A naught by 10. A naught cancel, log 10 equal to 1. So log 10 the value हमेशा 1 होती है. So remember this, T equal to 0.3038 second or 3.8 into 10 to the power minus 2 second. Next most important numerical which we discuss, NCERT numerical, show that the time required for 99% completion is twice the time required for the completion of 90% reaction. वो कहना 99% जी completion है वो double time लेंदी है as compared to 90% of reaction. So for first order reaction, T equal to 2.303 upon K log of initial concentration upon final concentration. We also do this type of relation in previous video, K log of A upon A minus X. So initial concentration we supposed to A and final concentration A minus X. So final concentration, how can we calculate? 100, suppose A equal to 100, A minus X, that is 100 minus how much? 99. So it becomes 1. So 100 by 1 value आगी साढ़े को. So इत्थे साढ़े को 100 by 1 or equal to 10 to the power 2. So T 99% 2.303 log K upon log of 100. So इत्थे जे substitute करिए असी, so इत्थे 10 the power की बन गई log of 10 to the power 2 बन गई 100 दी. 2 साढ़े को आ गया की हो गया multiply, क्योंकि log a raised to power b, so b multiply with log, so 2.303 into 2 upon k, a for 90, t 99% लिए. Then we find for t for 90%, same way we can calculate the 90%, it becomes 2.303 upon k, so divide equation number 1 and 2, so it becomes 2. So in this way we can show that the reaction. Same, another most important numerical of first order reaction take 40 minutes for 30%, वो कहता ਜਿਹੜਾ 40 ਮਿੰਟ ਲੈਂਦਾ 30% decompose ਹੋਣ ਨੂੰ. Calculate the t half. So first we find the rate constant value with the help of integrated rate expression. So after 40 minutes ਜਿਹੜੀ final concentration है that is equal to 0.70. So k equal to 2.303 upon t log of initial concentration upon final. So 2.303 upon t log of a upon 0.70, a na cancel होगी, so it becomes a log 100 by 70. So when we substitute the value of log, it becomes 0.1549. So k equal to 8.92 into 10 power minus 3 per minute. So now we calculate with the help of this rate constant half-life period. So t half equal to 0.693 upon k divided by rate constant value, it becomes 77.7 minutes. So for half-life period for this reaction equal to 77.7 minutes. So if you have any doubt in this type of numericals or unsolved numericals related to this topic, do yourself. If you have any problem, you can call me or send a message. So this is most important topics for examination point of view. If you have any doubt in these numericals or integrated rate expression, you can call me or send message. Thank you.